Alright guys, Tye here, and we're going to teach you how to stick weld. First, you got to ground it. Take this clips here, you make sure it's grounded to the metal that's going to be touching, so you can weld to that. You got your stinger here in a safe place, so you're ready to go. Now I'm going to talk about turning it on. The on switch is right here, you just turn it on, and then you're powered up. You got to let it turn on though. And over here we're using a 7024 right here. So that means we got to run it at 100 amps because it's a 7024, and that's A right there, amperage 100. That's what we're running it off of. Now, on the weld. Actually, I'm going to show you how to put the stick in the stinger. Now this, you just open it up, clamp from the side, put it in right there, and you're ready to go. Don't forget the safety equipment, as Grant talked about in the first episode. I'm going to start it up, and then I'm going to weld. Alright? Cover. Got a little screw. Got a lot of screws that you're using. Straight line is very, very good. Got to go slow, but not too slow. Very crucial to keep a straight line. If you're trying to weld two straight edges together and it's not straight, you're going to have problems. Now, you can just chip off this slag right here. 7024 doesn't come off that easily. Then you can clean it up with a wire brush. And there you have it.